Colors name: orange, gray, green, blue, red, purple. Let's start the alphabets. A. A is for apple. A is for apple. B. Blue color. B is for ball. B is for ball. C. Purple color. C is for cow. C is for cow. C, capital C with small c. C is for cow. D. D is for duck. D is for duck. Capital D with small d. D is for duck. Orange color. E. E is for elephant. E is for capital E, small e. E is for elephant. Red color. F. F is for fish. F is for fish. Capital F, small f. F is for fish. Green color. G. G is for girl. G is for girl. Capital G, small g. G is for girl. Blue color. H. H is for hand. H is for hand. Capital H, small h. H is for hand. Red color. I. I is for ice cream. I is for ice cream. Capital I with small I. J. Purple color. J is for jar. J is for jar. 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 J is for capital J, small j. J is for jar. K. Blue color. K is for key. K is for key. Capital K with small k. K is for key. Green color. L. L is for leaf. L is for leaf. Capital L, small l. L is for leaf. Let's repeat all the alphabets. A is for apple, B is for ball, C is for cow, D is for duck, E is for elephant, F is for fish, G is for girl, H is for hand, I is for ice cream, J is for jar, K is for key, L is for leaf. Thank you, kids.